Yes, unfortunately, you read the title of this video correctly. It's a sad day in the channel's history. I'm finally parting ways with my beloved Alfa Romeo 4C after 6 years of ownership. But don't worry, the money that I'm receiving from the sale of my Alfa will be the seed money for my next big sports car purchase. More on that later in the video. Now, this is somewhat of a rash decision. It all started when my dealer sent me an email wanting to buy my car. My local Alfa Romeo dealer is no longer going to sell Alfa Romeos anymore after January 3rd. So they're offering this buyback program for existing Alfa Romeo owners. And since car prices are starting to come down, I thought I would try to sell mine while car prices are still relatively high, and hopefully the prices will continue to drop, and then I could jump back into the market and find a good deal on my next sports car pretty soon. Because like Fat Joe said, we all know that
yesterday's price is not today's price.
All right, so all that's left is to give her one last quick bath, and then I'm gonna head on out. So why am I selling my Alfa? It's time. It's just time. I really enjoyed the car. I had it nearly 6 years now. And normally I only keep a car about 3 years, which is a testament to how much I really enjoy this car. But all good things must come to an end. The car has about 40,000 miles on it. It's out of warranty. And I'm just ready to move on to the next big thing, whatever that is. I'll tell you one thing that I'm definitely gonna miss. In the just a few miles I've been riding, at least 10 people have waved at me so far. This car gets so much attention and brings so many smiles to people's faces. That's probably one of the biggest things that I'm gonna miss. Now, they only offered me $41,000 for my car, which is about $5,000 less than the cheapest Alfa Romeo in the entire country. But you have to pay for the convenience of selling to a dealer. I know that I can sell it myself and get more, but then you have to deal with all of the scammers and people who just want to get a joyride. And if you sell it on tread, you have to pay the commission and be patient enough to wait for it to sell. I just want quick and easy. Basically, I've just been beaten into submission by the system.
Take it. Oh.
So the big question is, what's going to replace my Alfa? Well, the money that I'm getting for the Alfa would give me a budget of around $100,000, give or take 15 grand. So my first choice would be the new Corvette Z06, which starts at $105,000. But in the current premium sports car market, dealers are asking, quite frankly, silly amounts of money for the new Corvette Z06 after their markups. The only cars available right now for sale are north of $200,000. My next choice would be the Lotus Emira. The Lotus starts at around $75,000 for the 4-cylinder automatic, but the one I want is the V6 version with a manual transmission, which starts at around $94,000. I can't find any cars available for sale right now on any of the dealer car lots, so it's still pre-order only at this point. Also, I don't have any idea what the dealer markup is yet. I'm willing to go lightly used as well. Maybe a low mileage used Porsche 911. Give me some suggestions in the comments below as to what you would buy if you had a $100,000 budget. It's going to be my New Year's resolution to replace my Alfa. In the meantime, I guess I'll just have to make do with just my Bronco. Well, that's it. She's gone. I got the license plates all gone. Let's get our final goodbyes in. Been a great car. Until next time. Now, all I have to do is figure out how in the world I'm going to get home. Oh, come on.